Hello, hello,
Hello?
hello,
Hi, this is 911.
hello, hello. My name.
What's going on? Do you need the police or the paramedics?
All right, little lady. I call everybody to come to me. I ask everybody to come over here. They don't want to come over here because I got guns. I said I got guns.
Okay, but why did you call 911? What are you doing with the guns?
I got the gun in my hand.
Well, where are you?
Anyone come to you? My address I just told you.
Sir, I didn't get your address.
7th and Ceres.
7th and Ceres.
Motorhome right here.
You're cutting out a lot. You said you're at a mobile home?
Yeah, I am mobile.
Okay. Well, what are you doing with the gun? What's going on?
We stop talking. I'm going to tell you something. All right? All right. This is what happened. I called everybody. A couple of you, I asked them to open my door. If they know they can open the door, they keep saying they ain't going to come over. All right. I told them, all right, you don't come over here no more. I'm going to kill everybody coming in the door. We're in this up. All right? That's it.
Well, who are you making threats to kill? I'm confused.
I'm going to refuse you. Come on 7th and Ceres. We'll do this.
Okay, what do you look like? Are you white, black, Hispanic, or Asian?
Fuck up. Let me talk, bitch.
Sir, I need to do an interview. What do you look like?
I'm black, nigga.
What color shirt and pants are you wearing?
Black, bitch. I'm the real black nigga
Sir, have you
on
been drinking?
TV. I'm you know Die Holiday.
I can understand what you're saying. Have you been drinking?
All right, you know Die Holiday. You know him.
No, I don't know who you're talking about.
All right, I'm gonna tell you. My name is Doc Holiday.
Okay.
And you better go over here, but you can't over here because I got guns.
Okay, you said you're at the motorhomes. Are you in a specific spot? Is that
Right. Shut up. Stop. Let me go.
Is there a specific spot number for your motorhome?
Shut up, bitch.
Okay, sir, I'm going to disconnect the line. I'm going to send the police to 7.
I don't give a fuck. Do it, bitch.
Central units, possible UW suspect right now, 7th and Ceres, 7th and Ceres at the motorhomes. That's the gray and black motorhome. Suspect is a PR, male black, wearing a black shirt and black pants, armed with a gun. Monitor comments, it's code 3, incident 626, NRD 158. Central hand identify.
Suspect slash PR still on the line. 1829, you disconnected, standby. Roger, get a hold of them. People come out with, hold on. Roger, standby.
What's up, Papa? You good? Hell yeah. What's up? Huh? What up? Oh shit. Yeah, he got the gun in his hand.
Northbound on 37. Advise the suspect on a firearm.
What's up, Papa? You good? Hell yeah. What's up? Huh? Hey, are you the one that called? Yeah, he got the gun in his hand. 29 shows code 6. Suspect 429 with a gun. You have units respond northbound on Ceres from 7th. Be advised the suspect's got a firearm in his hand. He's inside his mobile home. Come on, Cass, keep going.
There you go. Keep coming. Keep your hands up.
Hey, drop it! Drop it!
Hey, let me see your hands. No, don't pick it up. Stop. 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 Come on, Cass. Keep going. There you go. Keep coming.
Keep your hands up!
Oh,
He has a
okay,
gun!
sorry,
He has a gun!
Hey, stop it. Hey, let me see your hands. No, don't pick it up. Stop. Stop. Stop.
We're here to help you. This is LAPD. Come out with your hands up where we can see them facing away from us.
Hey, it's coming out!
Come on, Cass. Keep going. There you go. Keep coming. Keep your hands up.
Hey, drop it! Drop it!
Hey, let me see your hands. No, don't pick it up. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Hands up! You get left arm, I got right arm. Okay? Put your hands up! Don't move! No, not handcuffs yet. Grab him first.
Keep eyes on the inside, make sure there's no one else inside.
Put him on the other side.
I know. We gotta grab him. Come on.
Yeah. Hold him. Ready? Watch his hand. His hand is one that's it.
Get some cuts, hold on. I got you. It's okay. Take it down.
I'm already. Why you doing this stupid?
Sarge, code 4. I know. Yep, I agree. I know. I gotta get him up. Let's move.
I'm gonna go around again.
Let's move him now. We do left at least. Ready? Okay. Drive. We gotta drive.
Hey, let me get
No. Let Nike go. Hey! Trailer!
Anyone inside the trailer? This is LAPD. Come out.
Let's move him out.
We gotta get him off of the RA.
Okay, ready?
Hold on, let me get
this side. Ready?
One. You gotta drag him, right? Hold him right here.
Right here?
Right here for now.
Someone else. Take point. Let's get him.
Oh, I need him to get into the RA. Hey, find out where the RA's at!
What's that?
Multiple GSWs, find out where the RA's at!
I have him coming now.
50, 60.
After taking McCullen into custody, the officers rendered medical aid by applying direct pressure to the wounds until the paramedics arrived. Los Angeles Fire Department paramedics responded and transported McCullen to a local hospital to be treated for the gunshot wounds he sustained. While there, medical staff determined that his injuries would require admittance to the hospital.